15 things you didn't know about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has gained a lot of traction in recent years, notably in the context of the coronavirus scenario. AI and its developments are generating a lot of noise in the tech world. As one might imagine, the internet has played a critical role in the development of AI-powered services. Although artificial intelligence is frequently mentioned, not everyone is aware of it and what it can do. Greetings! In this video, you'll learn over 15 facts about artificial intelligence that could have an impact on your life right now. Let's get tied up and take a look at each of them individually. Number 15. Artificial intelligence is already a part of our daily life. Without realizing it, you've undoubtedly engaged with AI. You've used AI if you've ever used Google Photos to find a certain image, asked a smart speaker about the weather, or been redirected by your car's navigation system. Those examples may seem self-evident, but there are other ways it affects your life that you are unaware of. AI is also assisting in the resolution of certain larger, global issues. Some apps use AI to assist farmers in identifying crop problems, for example. In addition, there are new technologies that can analyze citywide traffic data in real time to assist users in planning their driving routes more efficiently. Number 14. Artificial neural networks are the way of the future. Artificial intelligence strives to mimic and surpass human behavior at its core, but we must first replicate the human brain to do so. Neural networks take it a step further by applying the principles that regulate the human brain in our daily lives. Artificial neural networks are a huge network of connections in which the network, using artificial intelligence principles, selects which link to form, move to, or join based on the parameters it is provided. These networks can aid in developing market infrastructures, medical research, and the design of automated vehicles. Number 13. Artificial intelligence pets exist. Real pets, while charming, have a few drawbacks, according to PetBot developers. Real pets have to be cared for, including feeding and cleaning. AI pets will be robots who look, feel, and act like real animals, but without the problems their owners confront. AI-assisted pets are predicted to be widely available in the market by 2025. Number 12. Artificial intelligence is outperforming us in our games. For a long time, modern AI have beaten us at our games, from completing a Rubik's Cube in 0.38 seconds to defeating the world champion of the strategy game Go. Elon Musk's OpenAI has beaten some of the best Dota 2 players in the world, a game noted for its high skill ceiling and profound complexity. It's only a matter of time before AI examine humans well enough to outperform us in any task that needs intuition and profound thought. There have also been countless reports of AI defeating chess champions and grandmasters. Number 11. AI will be able to recognize persons based on their voice. It was predicted that robotic assistants would have been able to perform voice recognition by the end of 2018. Artificial intelligence's main goal is to provide humans and organizations with a machine to think faster and more efficiently. But as a result of this process, would technological developments take over the world? Will it assist humanity in reaching its full potential, or will it obliterate it? Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, predicted in January 2018 that artificial intelligence might be more revolutionary to humanity than electricity. Number 10. AI will surpass human intelligence. AI can swiftly learn anything, implying that its intelligence is growing. In 2013, AI had the brightness of a 4-year-old child. By 2029, AI will be on par with mature humans in terms of intelligence. Number 9. The vast majority of AI bots are female. According to studies, the majority of people prefer the sound of a female voice to that of a male voice. It's because when you ask Alexa or Siri a question, you'll get a pleasant and courteous woman's voice as an answer. Number 8. Artificial intelligence is assisting us in the fight against cancer. Computers have made a significant contribution to medicine, and this contribution is regularly growing. Cancer has been a terrible battle, but we are getting closer to understanding and eventually eradicating its influence through computers because of ongoing technology breakthroughs. The AI created by a collaboration between the University of Surrey and the University of California, San Francisco, may detect cancer indications early on. These AI can forecast which patients are most likely to develop cancer cells after being fed thousands of accounts of people who this devastating disease has impacted. This enables doctors to get a head start on their treatment by using the outcomes of their patients. Number 7. Artificial intelligence can replace human workers. In Canada alone, almost 1,160,000 individuals are unemployed. While AI can help businesses save money, it also has the potential to cause serious difficulties. According to The Guardian, customer service positions, 85% would be the most vulnerable to AI by 2021. Number 6. Humans and AI can form romantic relationships. A student in this field, David Levy, predicts that human-robot marriage will be legalized by 2050. At present, robots aren't yet advanced enough to do so. Number 5. Artificial intelligence can read your mind. Isn't it terrifying? Roboticists have devised a new approach for creating an image of your thoughts using an fMRI scanner. The AI is programmed to generate an image from your brain and compare it to images provided by volunteers. Number 4. AI can assist us in detecting deepfakes. Deepfakes are artificial intelligence-generated images, voices, music, or films that appear to be real. They create works of fiction that are startlingly true to life by researching existing real-world imagery or audio, mapping it in detail, and then modifying it to create works of fiction that are startlingly true to reality. However, some unmistakable signals are usually not real. For example, voices in a deepfake video may sound robotic, and people may blink less or repeat their hand movements. AI can assist us in detecting these inconsistencies. Number 3. Artificial intelligence is being employed to combat the global climate catastrophe. When it comes to climate change, AI allows us to evaluate massive amounts of data and identify trends, which is a huge help. AI-powered solutions that assist people in reducing their energy consumption by turning off the heating and lights when they leave the house are a typical use case. AI is also helping in modeling glacier melt and the prediction of increasing sea levels to the point where action can be taken. Number 2. We can forecast earthquakes. While the prevalent perception of artificial intelligence is that they will soon take our jobs or take over the world, AI is more beneficial and can assist prevent natural disaster harm. The National Center for Research on Earthquake Engineering, part of the National Applied Research Laboratories, has developed a machine learning-based AI that can forecast impending earthquakes in under 3 seconds. This is accomplished by feeding it data from several reports of earlier events and the detection of P-waves, high-speed waves. So, rather than assuming that AI will take lives in the future, AI are saving lives. Number 1. Artificial intelligences are used to restore antique and damaged photographs. NVIDIA has created an AI that successfully restores damaged images using a technique known as image in painting. These photos may have whole holes in them, be ripped from one side, or be missing some pixels in general. After being trained and fed hundreds of photographs, the AI will evaluate the given image and automatically add pixels to the destroyed region. I hope that you've got all the necessary information. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in another video.